Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new toy I got in the mail the other day. It's a Mikrotik Routerboard wAP series access point. So let's go ahead and open her up. Let's see here. Got a little instruction manual. A little wall mounting plate template. That's pretty handy. Got the access point itself. Feels like it's a pretty sturdy plastic. I noticed this on other reviews. There's a little, I guess, a security screw on the bottom here. So in an office environment, what have you, people can't easily get into it. Or pull this cover off, I should say. With the cover off, one of the things I was really curious about, I couldn't tell by the product description or any videos, anything like that. It was obvious here on the bottom. It's got a little hole for the Ethernet cable to come out. But what I was curious about, and it looks like you could pop out this little square right here. So if it's wall mounted, you know, you can feed that Ethernet cable into here. Looking inside, there's the model name, wAP. Looks like you got a light for power, light for 5 gigahertz, 2 gigahertz, AP/cap, which I have not messed around with yet, but there's a program called Catman that you can use to administer one of these or multiple together. And then, of course, your reset button. And then your ETH/PoE in. Didn't know that. I guess you could power it over PoE. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Little mounting bracket. Ah, okay. So you've got your template. Obviously lines up with this bracket. Mount the bracket to the wall. And then this guy pops right in. Ah, awesome. Little PoE injector. I'll be using that because I currently do not have a PoE switch. That'll be a future upgrade. Mikrotik gigabit PoE. So obviously, this little power brick plugs in the wall, plugs in there, injects power. This goes to your switch. From there, you've got power coming out to power the access point. This is interesting. Let's see what we got here. Ah. I suppose if you don't want to wall mount it, looks like it'll go that. I don't want to jam it in there yet until I get that screw screwed in, but there we go. Pretty nice. So you could just set it on a table or a desk or what have you. Slick. Matter of fact, that might come in real handy when you're testing. Well, what I'll be doing for sure is when I'm testing this out, I've got 2 of them, is set this up on top of a ladder in the general location of where I'd like to mount it, either on the ceiling or the wall, to make sure I get it in a reasonably good location before I start making holes everywhere. And I don't want to pop this open, but I'll have to go review others' videos again where other people have opened these up. But if I remember correctly, on the back side, inside here, it's got like a metal plate. So in theory, I would think if there's a metal plate there, you know, it's RF, radio frequencies, it's going to tend to want to radiate the signal out from there. So I could see it working either wall mounted or ceiling mounted, obviously. Currently, I've got 3 Ubiquiti access points, and they do a very good job. But considering I just upgraded my router and my main switch to Mikrotik, I figured, hey, let me try out Mikrotik access points. It's always kind of nice having a single interface for management. Other than that, here's another metal plate. Not quite sure what that's for. Oh, I bet you this is probably, I would assume, it would be used to mount to a false ceiling. You know, those like a ceiling tiles in an office environment. And of course, you've got your drywall, little anchors and screws. But I guess that's about it. I can go ahead and throw a link to the spec sheets, all the technical details for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next video.